Hi, this is Kurt Rainier with Central Texas Technology Solutions. I am the Director of Technical Services here, and I want to spend a little bit of time today talking about cloud versus on-premise. So most of us are very traditional with the traditional way that we do work in the IT environment. You have on-premise systems where you've got your desktop, your laptop, your servers. Everything is contained within the four walls of your company. Everything is on your own network. Your file shares, databases, all of it, email. So over time, things have shifted more and more to the cloud. One of the first places that we saw this was in the area of email. A lot of email hosting has moved to the cloud now. But now we're seeing more and more things move to the cloud. Not just email, but collaboration, also file systems, even server processing. So all of this is now moving to the cloud. And it's giving us a lot more capability and ability to remote work, to be able to do things here, there, and everywhere without the need for on-premise systems. So many of you are probably familiar with Office 365. They've been around for quite a while. The first foray was on the subscription as a service model for Office software and for email, being able to get rid of those local email servers and get all your email out to the cloud. Well, now they're expanding this. So the new format is called Microsoft 365. They started it about a year or 2 years ago. And it's actually taking this concept and expanding it into servers, file systems, collaboration, video chat, as well as systems management. So now, with Microsoft 365, we have the ability to do mobile device management, not just on like Apple devices and Android devices where we can set policy and things like that, but also on Windows systems, setting policy on Windows, being able to have it join to your domain, but your domain is in the cloud now instead of on a local server, and be able to push all those policies and security out. So it's much more extensible, it's much more mobile, so you're less tied to a traditional four walls. If you're like a distributed workforce where you've got a lot of road warriors that are on sales, or you've got marketing folks out and around. So it's just a much easier thing, and you don't have to worry about VPN or things like that. It also allows us to be able to manage your Windows devices in a much more comprehensive environment and be able to push policies and set things up. And they are greatly expanding this system month after month after month. So this is kind of Microsoft's move to the future. This is where they're going with things. As servers end up at end of life and those get retired, we're moving more and more people to this type of ecosystem in the cloud. It's much more secure, it's much more scalable, it's much more cost-effective, and it's also much more reliable because you're less tied on what's actually happening on site for your own environment. So if you have any questions about the new way of work in Microsoft 365, please give us a call here at Central Texas Technology Solutions, and we can definitely reach out and help you with that and kind of go over it in more detail. So thank you very much.